Hey guys, Steve from Florida here. And I am pretty much right on the Florida-Georgia border. This is the Withlacoochee River in front of me. The other side of the river is Georgia, and I'm on the Florida side. This is an old railroad trestle built in the 19th century that's still standing today. That once was for the Florida Southern Railroad, also known as the Valdosta Southern Railroad. It went from Madison, Florida to Valdosta, Valdosta, Georgia. So let's have a look at this thing. It's all that's left of it. You can still see there are some pieces that go across the river as well. Very neat. Able to climb a little hill here and get a little top look at it. I'd say we're probably a good 30-35 feet up. It was probably a really neat middle portion of it, I would imagine, on the other, or in the middle of it, or it might have been just the same all the way across. Pretty neat piece of history.